Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am really excited to share one of my favorite little art companions, the Winsor and Newton Cotman Watercolor Sketchers Pocket Set. If you love painting on the go, or just want something compact and reliable to start watercolor sketching, this tiny box might be exactly what you need. Just look at how small and neat it is. It literally fits in your pocket or small bag. Inside, you get 12 half pans of Cotman watercolors and one travel brush. There's also a little mixing palette built right into the lid, which is super handy when you're outside painting landscapes or quick sketches. Let's talk about the colors you get. In this set, you'll usually find classics like lemon yellow hue, cadmium red pale hue, alizarin crimson hue, ultramarine, cerulean blue hue, sap green, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, burnt umber, and Chinese white. That's a really balanced mix, warm and cool tones, a couple of earth shades, and just enough variety to paint almost anything. Whether you're doing quick urban sketches, landscapes, or loose florals, you've got a solid palette to start with. What I really like about this set is how easy it makes outdoor sketching. You don't need to carry bottles of paint or tubes, just add a bit of water and you're good to go. The pigments re-wet quickly and blend beautifully on paper. And the travel brush, even though it's small, does a great job. You can create both fine lines and soft washes with it. Of course, you can always bring your own brushes if you prefer. But for quick travel sketches, this one works surprisingly well. So to wrap up, the Winsor and Newton Cotman Sketchers Pocket Set is a great choice for beginners, students, and anyone who loves to paint outdoors. It's compact, affordable, and gives you all the essentials to create beautiful watercolor sketches wherever you are. If you're looking for a lightweight set to take on your next trip or just to enjoy a quiet painting session in the park, this little box is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more art reviews, painting tips, and creative adventures. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video, and happy sketching!